You probably haven't even heard about it yet, and people are already earning money just by downloading a browser called Comet browser, creating an account, and using it. But don't worry at all. Your brother is here with the latest program, showing exactly how people are making money simply by downloading a browser, asking it a few questions, and getting a referral link that lets them invite others. For every download through their invite link, they're earning between $2 and $15. People are secretly making so much money that nobody is telling you about it. I'm going to explain the entire program in detail, where to get that link that gives you a pro account, and after getting the pro account, how this browser works. It's just like using Google Chrome, but this one has ChatGPT integrated inside. You can ask it any question, write any blog, create any video, generate any image, or even do coding with it. As of today, October 25th, people are earning money with it. Who knows how long this program will last? So don't waste time. Let's go straight to my laptop screen, and I'll explain everything step by step. The most important thing is that the link is given in the video description. You must follow it. If you don't, you won't get the pro account, nor your invite link for earning. So if you're watching this on YouTube, you'll find the link in the video description and the first pinned comment. If you're watching on Facebook, it's in the video description there too. And if you're watching on TikTok, the link is in my bio. Just click it. A new window will open, and there you'll find the link for Comet browser, Comet. You'll first accept your invitation code. Click Claim Invitation. Follow the link given in this video's description or first comment. Once you click Claim Invitation, it'll ask you to log in. Enter your email address manually. Do not click Continue with Gmail. Manually type your Gmail address, then click Continue with Email. A verification code will be sent to your Gmail. Open your Gmail, copy the code, and enter it in the box. Follow each step carefully as I'm explaining. Once done, the browser will automatically start downloading. If not, click the download button manually. Here you can see, it's automatically downloading now. After downloading, simply click on the file. You'll see the Comet browser setup window. Click Start Install. Then you can set your own theme or name. For example, I'll name mine Technical Awais. Click Continue. Here's your new browser, now open. But before using it, you'll need to log in again with your email. Enter your email on the right side, click Continue, and again, a code will be sent to your Gmail. Copy that code, paste it here, and it'll automatically log you in. Your browser is now fully installed. And here you go, a clean interface appears. Now note these two important steps carefully. First, click the code shown on the screen and copy it. Bookmark it or save it somewhere, because that's important for your referral system. Second, you must ask at least 5 questions to the AI. You can ask anything you like. For example, when you use it and interact by asking questions, only then will your account start generating earnings. Whenever you invite your friends, tell them clearly that they must ask questions too, so that the system knows they're real humans, not bots. See how amazing this browser is. It generates images, blogs, videos, everything automatically. So make sure to ask 3 to 4 questions minimum. When you invite others, tell them to do the same for the system to register it properly. Now, to see how to earn money, click the Invite and Earn button, copy your invite code, and share it with your friends and contacts. Each person who follows all the steps, downloads, installs, and uses it earns you $2 to $15 per sign-up. So, just like you use Google Chrome for free, use this one instead. It's got ChatGPT built in, does everything Chrome does, and even makes you money for free. So friends, it's a super simple method. Download the browser, create your account, ask a few questions like ChatGPT, get your referral link, and that's it, your earnings begin. In the next video, I'll show how to promote your Comet browser referral link and how to withdraw payouts in bank accounts. I hope you found this video valuable. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Technical Awais channel.